How to transfer gallery photos from one phone to another. So, to easily transfer your gallery photos from your phone to your new phone, what you can do is to go ahead and install Google Photos into your current device. So, if you already have one, go ahead and open Google Photos. And then once you have opened Google Photos, you'll be able to find your Google account. So as you can see at the top right, you'll be able to check if your current photos are syncing or not. So simply click on your top right, and then from here, go ahead and click on this turn on backup button to back up the photos that you have on your current device. And then you can go ahead and access the same Google account on your new device. And then from there, you'll be able to find all of the photos that you have on your current device to that specific device. And that is how you can basically transfer gallery photos from one phone to another.